So we're here with Caroline from iZotope at AES 2022. How are you, Caroline?
Good, thank you.
Good. And what have iZotope got to show this year? Like, what new tech's coming from iZotope?
We had a good set of tech coming up. Actually, we released Neutron 4 and Ozone 10 recently, just in September. RX10 as well. And what's new about it is like it's really we really strengthens of assistive tech. So our plugins become more and more smarter and assist the audio producer, the mixing engineer, and give them get there in a point where they just have to adjust. So if you use Ozone 10 right now, it's like you can use master assistant and get in a place where it's already going at 90% where you want to go. So you just have to do minor adjustments with the advanced view. So we are really trying to make people getting in their flow and try to avoid to have repetitive tasks and do that for them, trying to find the best adjustments from starting point.
Yeah, they're hugely beneficial tools. Like, I've used them for Ozone for mastering tracks. It's nice to have like an objective view of the mix instead of maybe using your own fixed processes. What's the technology behind those kind of assistive technologies?
So we are using machine learning techniques and also intelligent DSP behind the scene. Also a lot of knowledge from an expert and knowing we have sound designer working with us and testing what could be the good preset for a good mastering sound. And it's a collaborative work, and by working together we make the impossible happen.
Excellent. And what's in terms of iZotope itself, what's your role? What do you do in the company?
So I'm associate director, and I'm actually leading two engineering teams responsible of building in collaboration with PM, sound design, QA engineer, smart plugins into the field. We are also working with our beta customer, and we are trying to build as much as we can, prototype things to get feedback as early as possible. So it's a very iterative process, and so we build our products with our customer. So my role here is to make sure the team have all their needs. I'm supporting the team and so making sure that we are working, collaborating with all the function and our customer to deliver the best to our customer.
Excellent. And what have you seen at AES this year? Have you seen any new technology that excites you? Is there anything here that kind of activates your ideas?
Yeah, I was impressed by some of the new tech. For example, this the small hardware from Artiphone, which is like a new way of a new instrument of music. So you're using a very small device, and you can just create music on the fly. Like you do a break, you create your music with a small instrument. It's very intuitive.
Is it the Orba?
Yeah, the Orba.
Yeah, very nice thing.
Yeah. So as I did that, there is I think there was what did I saw?
Is that a French? That's a French company. Are they French?
No, it's
Artiphone?
It's from here. It's from the US.
Oh, they're from the US. Yeah,
Yes.
I love those because it's sort of it's got like motion detectors, hasn't it? And like multiple velocity sensitive elements, like MPE compatible. I think they are.
Maybe I don't know the detail actually. I just saw it. I saw it online before, but I saw it for real yesterday.
Okay, cool. And maybe finally, what's coming up for iZotope? Is there anything that's exciting that you're working on that might be interesting for people to know about, if you're allowed to share?
Yeah, we want to go even beyond in terms of assistive tech in our product, and bringing the artists in their flow, and empower them to create music and master music. So yeah, it's more intelligent tool, it's more assistive tools, and yeah, getting their intent very, let's say, smooth, seamlessly, and trying to get there as fast as we can. So it's where we're going.
Excellent. Well, I know personally that I really enjoy using iZotope stuff, and we all look forward to seeing what else you're doing. And thank you very much for speaking to us today. Thank you.